Did you know that you can change your primary email address on your Zotero account? And if you didn't know, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. Now, guys, all you have to do is just head over to zotero.org, guys, and sign into your account. And once you're done, just simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to the settings there. Now, on the left hand side, click on email, and here you will find email addresses. Now, you have to add a second email address there on your Zotero account to be able to switch that primary email address. All you have to do is a simple process. You can also find a video within the playlist here for Zotero, and you will see how it actually works. But it's very straightforward. Add the second email address here. Once you go ahead and add that email address, you need to head over to that email because you'll receive a verification email. There will be a link inside, and all you have to do is just click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to be verified. You can come back here to your original account and just refresh, and you will see that the second email is added there. Now, to switch the primary email address, it's very easy. You see the button here to the second email that says set as primary. Simply click on that, and guess what? It is all done. The second email is now set as a primary email address. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.